In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to see hide bets on OneXBet. Before we proceed, you have to have a professional OneXBet account, and to do that, you click on register. On this next session, you click on full. On this next session, you input all the necessary information needed here. After doing that, on the promo code section, you input the promo code Chelsea TV. After inputting the promo code Chelsea TV, OneXBet will give you a 300% bonus on your first deposit, which means when you deposit $10,000, you get $40,000. Okay guys, let's go back to our video. So to see hide bets, you click on history. When you click on history, you click on this filter button above, and then you will be able to see other options there. Then you select all and then apply. You'll be able to see all kinds of bets, your hide bets, your deleted bets, your skill bets, all kinds of bets. And that's how to check your hide bets on OneXBet account.